Philippines. So today he have appointment in VFS. So he want to share something with you. Can you share something?
Actually, now I thankful for Sir Ali for this opportunity. And now I am successful process my visa. And now I'm very smooth. There's no any question regarding of my documents because and I advise if you have some money, so you go in the VIP lunch. There is no any question about our documents, so it will be approved.
Yeah, you just have to pay the extra 250 around the 300.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, like that. So you have to pay. There's no question. You just have to go there and submit your file within 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
Within 10 minutes, they will submit the file. And after that, they will give you the receipt. Very easy, peasy.
Very easy. Only half hour.
Finish everything.
Yes, finish everything. So
Okay. Thank you so much.